morning, everybody. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday. Let's go ahead and hop into this medium challenge with the instructions. It says, given a list of email addresses, write a function to filter out invalid email addresses. A valid email address has a username, an @ symbol, and a domain name. And it does give us some examples here that we can use as an argument in our function to make sure everything is working correctly. So upon looking through the email addresses, I do see some that are invalid. I only see 2. So I see this one that says invalidemail.com because it doesn't have the @ symbol. And then also this one, example, does not have that .com there as well. So first things first, we're going to be using regular expressions. So of course here I did go ahead and import that module, and then I went on and declared that function. So I made a function here, and I named it filter emails, and then the parameters, of course, we wanted to take in a list. And then within that function, I am creating a pattern that I want to use to make sure everything is valid in the email addresses and that everything is laid out right. So what helped me to come up with this pattern, again, I think it was, let me find it for you guys, regex101.com, and I played around with this for a while till I came up with a desired pattern. And then from there, I copied it and plugged it into my code. So yeah, let's get back to the code. All right, so now that I figured out my pattern, I can go ahead and create a new list with only the emails that are valid. So what I did here was I declared a variable for a new list, and I used list comprehension here to grab only the emails in our past list that had the pattern that I specified at the top. So it's only going to grab the emails in the A list that has a valid email pattern. So down here, I'm returning that list, and let's go ahead and run our code at the bottom here and see what we get. And there you have it. So we only have a list of the valid emails. So it's pretty simple. The longest part for me was just figuring out the regular expression pattern, but after I got past that, it was straightforward from there. Let me know what you would did differently. Let me know if you have any tips for me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.